Your sister locks are not thriving when they are dry and brittle, right? And when you have an itchy scalp, and when you have a flaky scalp, a lot of dandruff and all, and when your hair is slow growing, when it's growing at a snail's pace, everybody's hair doesn't grow at the same pace. I understand. But when your hair is really, it just seems like it's just not growing at all. A lot of times it's dry, it's not getting the circulation that it needs to get. And there are certain techniques that need to be done in order for your hair to thrive. And then it start looking dull, right? It just has no real life to it. And it's like thinning, it's breaking and it's thinning. Your hair is starting to thin. And so when your hair